Hi everyone, my name is Carson anyway. Thank you for clicking on my video in my channel. Today this makeup look, it was a purple inspired one. I used the Bloodlust from Jeffree store. This is the one palette I mainly use when I do purple looks. I haven't done it in a while, so I thought why not? Let's do an interesting purple look. And then my lip combo was two different shades, and I'll talk about that later in the video. But if you're new, thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. And yeah, so let's get into this makeup look. Hello, my wonderful, wonderful people. This is Voice of Carson. Once again, we are back in it. Yeah, this is the third this is the third video using the same base. I just realized that. Well, I mean, like I've been saying in these past videos, honestly, my base does not change. It is always going to be the same. Honestly, I probably am just going to keep doing the same base regardless in videos specifically, but even in real life, I really do the same base. And so that's why I mentioned, I can't remember exactly which video, but it was one of the past two videos that I've been doing. I have been thinking about just recording the eye looks and skipping the base looks because of the fact that, like I said, my base never changes. My base always stays the same, and I never do really anything different. The only difference that I do is either change maybe like my blush shade to a little bit brighter shade, or my highlight shade, depending on what the eye look I do. But more likely that is going to be included in the description down below, so if you guys are curious of whatever I'm using, always is down in the description below, including eyeshadow shades, palettes, whatever lip shades, anything I'm using. I always put it down below. So you're going to probably be more surprised of how well it looks than you think. But the reason why I did purple is because I really love doing purple whenever I get to do it. It's just I never really reach for that Bloodlust palette as much as I really want to. Especially, I have to be like in a purple mood. I feel like, especially for any other colors, I have to be in like the mood to want to do that color specifically. And I was really into wanting to do a purple look this day as well for the last video, so I was like, you know what, it'll be fine. Let me just take the eyes off, redo the eyes into this beautiful purple that I'm about to do, and let's just do it like that, because that is going to be the easiest way for myself to do. But yeah, base always the same no matter what. And now we are into the look for this specific video. And yes, I changed my lighting because I wanted to go with the purple theme, but because of the last video I was doing a chili theme, and if you guys haven't watched that video or the one between, or it's probably gonna be after this, I'm doing basically just a basic normal look with red lips, and if you guys are interested in that, go watch it. And same thing with the chili one, or any of my videos in particular. If you guys are interested in the look, go watch the video. But yeah, I really wanted to do a purple look because I never really get to that. Which one is that? That's like the third shade she used. I have them listed in order specifically so you guys understand and know, and make it easier for you guys to realize like, oh, that's the shade, okay. And so yeah, because I always wonder that, especially when makeup artists don't put sometimes in the description like what shade specifically that they're using, or like shades that they're using, and I don't know if they put them in order. And so, but with my videos, I definitely make sure to put them in order, because I definitely want you guys to know that yes, they are in order chronologically as they are being used. And you can tell, like with this, I am trying to figure out the breast lip shade, because with the one I was doing, it wasn't turning out, like it felt like it was too dark, or it didn't complement the purple as well. And so I kind of did like a two-tone faded into lip combo. I'll talk about that more in just a minute, but I loved how that turned out once I did it. But yeah, the other shades were a little bit too dark or not as complimentary as I wanted to originally, so you just see me wiping it off and like putting on different ones. But yeah, I love how this video turned out. I love how the makeup looked. It looked really, really nice, and like I said, try it. You'd be very surprised, especially for colors that you don't usually get to use. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this look. Yeah, I just used a previous video that I was working on the same day right now, and did my foundation, and then once I got done with that, I just took my eyes and my lips off for that video because I was like, I want to keep the foundation and I want to try to just do another eye look and a lip look because it would be easier. Plus I was already going to do the same base idea anyways, so I thought, why not? And my lip combo was the Uncuffed Fenty and the Melted Matte Too Faced in Queen Bee. The Queen Bee one is my go-to, and Uncuffed is usually my other one that I've been going to lately. But the Melted Matte one has been my go-to for many decades, for about like over a decade now. But that's like my good neutral shade that I like finding, because I was swatching a bunch of them and none of them looked like fine with this lipstick. It either looked too dark or didn't match it. So I was like, alright, well, I'll just do a nude and then it would look fine. So I decided to put this on the inner and this on the outer corners and then just blend them in and do like a fade. And I thought it turned out really nicely and it looks pretty good with this makeup. This is what I would do on a normal basis if I'm doing makeup like this. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you recreate this look or recreate any of my looks or be inspired by any of my looks, tag me. I would love to see them. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Aesthetics by Carson, and follow my full specialist esthetician licensing journey that I am going on, and many more other things to do. So if you want to watch that, go follow me on there. That's where I'll be posting a lot about that. And then I'll be doing skincare and stuff on here as well whenever I get the opportunity to do it. And I'm excited about that, and I hope you guys are too. And be on the lookout for that as well. And if you haven't hit subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell notification, like everybody tells you. And check out any of my other looks if you want, if you like to. And yeah, have a great day, evening, morning, whenever this reaches you, and I will see you in the next video.